Hello, yeah, and welcome back to Python. Welcome back to another video regarding Matplotlib. And yeah, today we are gonna look at legends. And yeah, to be more clearly, a legend, you can define it as a kind of area or an element describing the elements of the graph where you can, like a little dictionary, but not the dictionary as a data type, the casual dictionary where you can look which kind of line means, for example, the growth of your income, for example, if you have multiple lines or multiple dots. Yeah. So let's just try something out. What will happen if we type in plt point legend and run our code? So let's give legend some arguments. Let's, for example, use, what are the dots? Let's do high grades and low grades. Kind of a placeholder, to be honest, but yeah. Should do its thing. And I'm totally stupid. I mean, the arguments needs legend, not show, again. And here we go, high grades, low grades. Here you see the larger dots are high grades, the smaller dots are low grades, and we kind of miss the small blue dots. So let's add another label. Just add another string. I don't know grades. Let's run it again. And let me think, why does this? Oh, okay, I get it. There are only two types of dots. I'm totally stupid and didn't see it. There are the blue dots and the dark red plots and plots. And the size of the dots is created randomly. So I guess he's kind of using the average size for the legend. So what works for scatter also works for line graphs. So let's do the same with the line graphs. So in this one I created another one. Here we go, and let's see what legend does with it. Let's do plt point legend, and again we have two graphs, so we need two strings like I don't know and I know right. And let's run our code. And here we go. I don't know, you can see the color, you can see the markers, and if it's the form of the lines, because the one got points or dots as lines and one got underscores, or in this case usual minus signs as lines. We can also kind of decide where the legends are shown. For example, we can say log equals upper left. Again, if we run the code, we see now it's on the upper left. The space between our different two legends can be easily decided. Just add the argument label spacing equals 2. And now you've seen the label space has increased. With font size, you can choose the font size. Font size equals let's do 20. See what happens. So this happens. You can change the face color. just means the color of the of our legend, of the background. Let's do it to green. I just wanted to type white because kind of sleepy. You can add a shadow. Shadow equals true. Like this. Now you can see a little shadow, just for a stylish reason, I guess. And that's it for today's video. I am thinking about making another because the topic can be more advanced. But that maybe after I covered other videos I will kind of do a legend part 2. And but for today's video this should be it. See you in the next video and have fun with my stupid outtakes. Yes, and this is the part where I realized I don't have any outtakes because they were from another video. So let me tell you a little joke. When you didn't do your homework, you said you should take. Okay, now I got an outtake, but kind of. I mean, when you are talking to your teacher and telling you don't have homework, say, "My dog ate my homework." The teacher will say, "But it was a coding assignment." And then you can say, "I know, he took 8 bites." Okay, goodbye.